Hello and welcome to TM Key Film. In this video, I'm showing you about septic tanks, how to have the septic tank cleaned out, what's entailed in putting it together to get it cleaned out, and looking at this guy here doing the work. Yes, it's shit to me, but bread and butter to him. The septic is 1,200 gallons. There's two tanks side by side, and if you notice that there's called risers on our tanks, normally you'd have to take a shovel, dig out a good 2 feet of soil to get to the lid, which weighs, I don't know exactly, but I'm sure it's around 100 pounds or so. And you'd have to lift it out to get to the tank. With risers, however, it brings it up a good couple of feet, and you have a nice lid that you can close it down on when you're done, and it makes it super simple for a guy to come in, put a big hose down, suction cup, and take it over to a truck. And when the job is done, here's the sweet part. The lids go back on top of the tank, and then you lightly cover it up with gravel, so in the future, when it's time to get the tanks pumped out again, which is, it's a good 6, 7, 8, 10 years, it's not a real hard issue to uncover them and have somebody come out and clean them up. Thank you for watching, everyone, and be safe out on the water.